for the body of Chanan System advanced and Jay Maxi, the first secretary of the embassy, and we welcome you. Today we have a honor, Shri Aman Bhaji, Councillor of our ward. They are with us, and Sabaji, Shri Ji, and our President G.S. Thakur. That's my students. आज का जो प्रोग्राम है यहाँ के लिए सिर्फ एक जस्ट विजिट था पार्टी टाइमिंग एंड इंटरेक्शन विद द पेशेंट्स. लोग पेशेंट्स के साथ क्या फील करते हैं और मीडिया के साथ. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई थैंक्स few media persons which I have called for this recovery. So we want the two angles. The rest we will come there. ये हमारा वार्ड, अमन जी को पता है, छोटे छोटे थे हमारे स्टूडेंट. बैकवर्ड एरिया था. स्लिम कावी इज द known as a backward and slum area. We have started acupuncture in 1975. Today we got the historical moment, milestone. We have completed 50 years on this place, and this land was also related of our patients. And rest of the whatever you see, all the construction, all the medical equipment, it was contributed of the patients. Because the patient has getting the benefited with the acupuncture. Acupuncture से जब उनको benefit मिला, thousands of rupees they have spent in the hospital, but they do not get the relief. When they got with the few hundreds expenses, they got the relief. They are joined with us. So it is a very excitable moment for us, and I am thanks to the Saudi Manalal Bakaji. And sometime when the people Slim Kabli, nobody want to be there. But due to the acupuncture hospital, not is recognized in Punjab, not is recognized in India, now it is a global. And proud moment for all of you. मुझे यूनाइटेड नेशन की तरफ से लास्ट मंथ में ग्लोबल एक्यूपंक्चर प्रमोशन के लिए इंडिया की तरफ से रिप्रेजेंट किया. एंड दे हैव 134 countries was participant and we 8 people are selected for the global promotion. From the tradition system, I got the privilege to become out of 8 members. Sir, after the hospital, when the known as Sunyawala Hospital, if you does not know the acupuncture word, Dr. Portman's word is a little bit difficult because he belongs to the Maharashtra, and the Punjabi language is Sunyawala Hospital was so popular in this. After getting the chair of member the assembly of the North, I vowed, because they are the member of the part of the hospital, they have a lot of dwell in the North. You see the road, when you enter, outside was so dirty places previously. Now you one hand you see the sports, one hand you have the music park. This all are development because the craze होता है, पागलपन होता है ना किसी को कि हमें कुछ करना है. तो एक्यूपंक्चर जब हमने स्टार्ट किया था तो हमारे लोगों को जो हमारे साथ टीम जुड़ी थी, ये थे कि हम we will do something for nation. So today we have recognized. Again, few of you member knows the China government has honored me. They recognize as a successor of Dr. B.J. Kumar. 80 साल आज़ादी के दिहाड़े पर उन्होंने जिन लोगों ने उनको चाइना की आज़ादी में हेल्प की थी, वो डॉक्टर को उन्होंने हासिल किया था. उसमें डॉक्टर कोटनेस थे, डॉक्टर बासु थे. डॉक्टर कोटनेस 42 में ही was expired in China, and Dr. Basu came here India and he introduced the acupuncture system because he got the sinus problem, he said Dr. Basu was suffering in 1958 so much sinus problem. Basically, he was allopathy doctor, but no medicine can be done. Now, the surgery will be performed by the modern medicine, but at that time there was no surgery to all the things. The chairman Mao Zedong has invited